It is a Tesla fridge. Does it actually get cold? How good is it? How many drinks does it fit? All right. One of the really cool things about being a YouTuber is that we get emails every single day about products that people just want to send us. And most of the time, as you learned from Marquez Brownlee's video this last week, he says no to 99% of those. He said yes to a coffin this last week and did a video review of a coffin. I'm not quite there. I don't really want to do a coffin video, but I said yes, go ahead and send it. I have no idea how much this costs because they just sent it to us. If it really sucks, I'm definitely gonna say it. Here we go. Instructions, test camp, I don't know. They did not pay me for this video, but they did send a free Tesla fridge. It looks cool, just from the picture. I like the box. Okay. Whew, that box is nice. Wow. What is that? It doesn't have the holes to be a license plate cover. What do I even use this for? It looks like the back plugs into the little cigarette lighter. Press here to open and press here to close. Look inside of this thing. We have a little refrigerator area. Okay, first impressions. I didn't notice this, and maybe you did if you have a Tesla Model Y. There's actually a ton of space right under here. A ton of space. This isn't small. It's pretty wide. It does look nicer than I thought that it would be. One odd thing before I put it in. It says twist clockwise for 9.5 turns. We've done what's inside a refrigerator before, and there's Freon everywhere. It's like a ton of this liquid stuff that helps refrigerators stay cool. I don't know why it wouldn't already be going through there or anything. Probably should read the other instructions, but I'm not going to. How do you remember 9.5 turns? There's a half, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is gonna happen to this thing? 8, getting a little stiffer. 9, that's 9, it's halftime. Halftime, not halftime, halftime. Oh, it's getting harder to turn. Oh, it might go a little further, but that's pretty much it. Okay, it didn't explode yet. The bottom of it does have little grippy things right here so that when it's down on the floor, it won't slide around as much, hopefully. Tesla refrigerator going in. Oh yeah, that actually fits really snug. Okay, look at that. Okay, now I need to plug it in. This looks way better than I thought. It looks like it belongs inside of the Tesla. It looks like something that Tesla made. So really good job on the design. I did not anticipate that. You push the 21, it goes to freezing. You push the center one, it goes to 43, which is a good drink temperature possibly. Then you push this one and it's good for your hot drinks like coffee or tea or hot chocolate. Let's go for cold and let's let it cool down for a little bit. The instructions I just found as I was waiting for it to cool down, and they're really not that difficult. I didn't follow the rules. Step 1, load-bearing board under the mat. Under here. Okay. Okay, so you put that under the mat. That was step 1 that I failed to do. Step 2 is to put this in, bottom first, then the top. Turn the button inwards until the refrigerator is stable. So the actual spinny thing is supposed to be turned to make this stable. I think it pushed the first thing. I'm gonna pull it back out. I'm gonna twist that. That makes more sense. So you put it in there, then you twist the knob clockwise, and that makes the foot pedal extend and solidify this thing into place. Now it's really steady. And then plug in the power cord. Did that. All right, we're gonna keep it on the cool for now and give it a little bit of time, see if we can get it cold. We're gonna go get some drinks, put the drinks in here. Maybe we should just go get drinks in Lincoln's car and get them in there. We got some good ones here. The chocolate milk and the strawberry milk. Shake them up. Wait a second. 23. 23. Woo! It actually is really cold in there. One drink. Fits perfect. 2 drinks. Strawberry, chocolate. I think we're on frozen mode. And it does say 21 degrees. What if we turn? I didn't even hear him. Okay, girls, I put something in Lincoln's car that I think is really cool, and I want to get your honest opinion on if you think it's cool too. If it were your car, would you use it? Okay. First of all, any guesses? What do you think it is?
I think you put another bed in the car.
Another bed?
Yeah.
Watch your feet. Wait and watch.
I think it's like a screen, and you put it on where the cup holders go.
And what do you do with the screen?
I don't know.
Watch shows, watch movies, play video games in the back seat. That's a good idea.
I mean, sure, yeah. Why not?
Come on in. I gotta show you what they have.
Wow. I was close. Can I?
Hop in.
What is this?
Okay, so this is really cool. Push on it.
Oh my gosh, can I have it?
It's a refrigerator.
Wow.
Pull it out. Is it cold?
Yes, it's cold. Wow, that's so cool.
And then shut it.
This. Is it like...
Look at that. You can fit 2 drinks inside of it. It's a refrigerator for the car.
I was close. That is so cool.
What do you think about it?
I think it's interesting. I wish it could fit more drinks, but that's cool.
Do you think Lincoln will use this?
No. I think he'll forget it's back here and just never use it.
Do you want to try the drinks and see if they're good?
Yeah. It's chocolate milk. Of course it's good. Yeah, it's really cold too. It's nice.
Nice?
Yeah.
Refrigerator.
Wow.
And it doesn't even take up that much space, right?
Yeah.
And it totally fits in there. Super
Except
strong.
You're sitting in the middle. Well, it's about the same amount. That's cool though. Refreshing.
Refreshing. Oh, and guess what? If you push the hot button, 122 degrees. It could get up to 122 in there if you put
chocolate in it.
Chocolate would be so good.
Like sledding, and we could bring hot chocolate with us.
Ooh.
That sounds awesome.
Not sweating, we can go sledding.
Sledding. Thank you.
Lincoln is too busy doing homework that he said he couldn't come out and look at it.
Oh.
It is a cool enough product that I'm gonna put it in the link in the description for them. We don't make any money whether you buy it or not, so don't buy it because of that, but it fits 2 drinks inside of it. Does it get crazy hot for hot chocolate? That's still to be determined. If you're somebody that always has like multiple kids back here, like 3 kids or 3 adults that are back here, probably gonna be too much space for you, and also that their feet are gonna go up against it and it's going to like open it inadvertently all the time. But if you're somebody like Lincoln that drives this car, sometimes he has 1 or 2 friends that are in here when they go to lunch, it's kind of a nice thing. Or he gets done golfing, comes in here, has a nice cold prime sitting inside of there, or chocolate milk, and then he gets it, and like Claire said, refreshing. Or maybe it was London that said it.
Refreshing.
I don't even remember, but there we go. I will give this a 10 out of 10. How about that for a rating? 10 out of 10. So it's been about 2 weeks that we've had this now. I know I just barely said right now 10 out of 10 for this product. I'm revising that. I'm revising my number. It is now a 6.5 out of 10. That's what I'm gonna give it for a few reasons. A lot of times when you have the car and it's parked, it doesn't run at nighttime. It just doesn't run at nighttime. And so if you put like chocolate milk or something in there, it may not work properly. 2, check this out. I just randomly came up on Lincoln's car. I opened the door to the car. This thing is open. There's ice all in this, and this door is open, and he probably hasn't noticed that it's been open. There we go. Sometimes it doesn't run when the car's been parked for a long time, and then other times the door could be open and then it just runs and runs and runs. And it takes more energy in your car. I wish there was some sort of warning or something, or maybe it would automatically turn off if it was left open for an extended amount of time, because the ice is just building and it's just running, but it's trying to get to 23 degrees. I'm gonna turn it to, there we go, 43. I mean, I am impressed that there's full on ice all throughout this. That gets cold. That's very cold, but it's still a very, very cool product, and I do like it. But there's a real world update 2 weeks into it, and Lincoln's used it a couple of times, so that's good, but he also, it's most of the time just in here, so yeah, there you go. Wow, that's a really good sticker. Boom. Didn't quite get all of it. Oh, there we go. Yeah. All right.